I'm Creative Crambo, back with another one. Sealing out, there was absolutely loads of dust and dirt up there. Took all the electrics out as well and all the metal work. I've also started taking off the floors all the way through. Also as well, I've took down the stud metal work there, going through there, what was up there. I used a scissor lift for that, just to work safely. Worked my way along. I've also got to take these stairs out as well, so I can get the scissor lift alongside there and take the rest of that metal stud work out. I've got a little bit of plasterboard to get rid of next. So I've stripped out all the way through there, working my way through. That's the last of the plasterboard. That's going to go in the skip there. It's nearly full, the skip's there, nearly full up there. By the time I get the rest of that plasterboard in there, it will be. After that, I'm going to strip all these steels out and get rid of them. All the electric's dead on them walls over there, so I can take all that, you know, the conduit off the back there, the trunking. All the lights are dead as well. Strip it all back. Once I've took all these steel beams out, I can then get the scissor lift in there and then start cleaning that roof down. Yeah, the dust up here is absolutely unreal. I've got to shout because the compressor's on down there. I've got my blowpipe ready. Put my mask on. Here we go. I need to do. Then I'll go again. Because there's a lot of weight in this hose, as I'm going up in the scissor lift, what I'm doing is strapping this on. Got myself about 1 metre of hose. The blowpipe's about 1 metre as well, so I've got plenty to play with. There's quite a lot of dust on there. I've got to blow it off. I'm going to put my face mask on. Here we go. So I've finished all those beams all the way through there. This is the final little bit. And then what I'll do is blow all the dust out of that door. Hopefully that should be job done. I'll double check it all, that it's all dust free, because the whole unit is being sprayed. So need to make sure all the dust is off every single area, all the walls, all the beams, everywhere. All the hard work's done now on the high levels on those beams. All the dust is being cleaned off, every single one. I've cleaned down all the walls. The amount of dust that came off this roof here was unbelievable. The best tool though for the job was the blowpipe. All I've got to do now is clean the rest of this up, blow that out now. That'll be a good job done. This is all in preparation for the spray coming in, just to get the warehouse nice and clean and dust free, so then he can come in and do his spraying. But I've done my job. Last little bit to go through there. I'm going to start this up for one more time. worst of that out. Now I'll go again. Yeah, so that's how the warehouse looks now, all sprayed out. All the beams sprayed. All the walls. It's unbelievable how much dust and dirt came up these beams and walls. The amount of sawdust that came down and fell down. I cleaned it all up. My contribution to the whole job is has got the results now for the sprayer. He's done a really good job as well. Took out all the mezzanine through there, all the metal studs what went up underneath these beams. Took all them out. That's a great job, that. That's how it looks, all sprayed out. After my epic solo clean down.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Turn on notifications. And I'll see you in the next one.